How to build muscle the fastest way. There are many ways to build muscle. You can build muscle at home without using any equipment or by lifting weights in the gym. In this video, I will explain step by step the fastest way to build muscle. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Before you start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for new videos every day on muscle building. Here's the fastest way to build muscle. Step 1. Calories. To build muscle, you have to get more calories than you burn daily. If you eat fewer calories, you will lose weight and cannot build muscle. Getting the right amount of calories per day is the most important step for muscle building. Your strategy should be clean bulking for the fastest way to build muscle. When you are clean bulking, you do not eat more than you need, and you will not gain weight very quickly. However, people who bulk up dirty and eat much more calories than they need lose time to get rid of excess fat after a while. Don't think that you can get rid of the fats quickly. The faster you lose weight, the more muscle you will lose. That's why I recommend you to clean bulk to avoid wasting any time while building muscle. Eating 250 to 300 more calories than you need will get you to your goal. So you won't get fat and waste time while building muscle. Step 2. Protein. You need protein for your muscles to grow. The amount of protein a person who wants to build muscle should eat daily is 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. This amount is the minimum you should take. I recommend getting a little more protein than this amount for the fastest results. You can aim to get 1 gram protein per pound of body weight. Eating much more protein than this amount will not make you gain muscle faster. Step 3. Full body workout. If you want to build muscle in the fastest way, you should follow a training program. If you do not know in advance which exercises and how many repetitions you will do that day when you go to the gym, it is difficult to get the results you want. It is very efficient to follow a full body training program, especially for those who are just starting to build muscle. This way, you'll work all your muscles more often. Exercising one muscle more often will produce faster results. Some people work in a split way. They work the muscle groups on different days. Although this method is effective for experienced bodybuilders, it is not very useful for those who are just starting to build muscle. That's why I suggest you follow a full body training program. Step 4. Compound exercises. It is the best method to form the basis of the training program from compound exercises for the fastest results. Since compound exercises work many muscle groups at the same time, they give your body more reason to build muscle. In addition, you can lift more weight in compound exercises compared to isolation exercises. Lifting more weight means building muscle faster. You can add isolation exercises to your workout program as assistant exercises as your training experience increases. Step 5. Progressive overload. The most important requirement for muscle building is progressive overload. You should strain your muscles more with each workout than before. So you get stronger and stronger. Getting stronger means building muscle. The ways of progressive overload are to increase the weight, increase the repetition, or increase the number of sets. Consistency is the most important thing if you want to build muscle the fastest way. Whatever you are doing, you have to do it for a long time. So you will get the results you want over time. Good luck. Did you like the video? If you want more videos on muscle building, please subscribe to the channel.